How to delete Fiverr account permanently. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Fiverr account permanently. To delete your Fiverr account permanently, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type fiverr.com. Then press enter to search it. Within a while you will be taken to the official website of Fiverr. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Now once you are logged into your account, at the top right you will find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and then from this drop down menu here click on this settings option. Once you click on it, now you will be redirected to the settings page. Here in this page make sure you are selecting this account option. Once you have selected it, here in this page you need to scroll down, and here you will see account deactivation. Also at the right side you will see what happens when you deactivate your account. It says your profile and gigs won't be shown on Fiverr anymore. Also your active orders will be cancelled and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs. This account deactivation is similar to delete account. Here you need to choose a region where you are leaving this. Once you have chosen one of these options or the region, here a description box will appear. You need to add some more description on why you are leaving Fiverr. Also, this one is optional. After you do that, now click on this deactivate account at the bottom right. Once you do so, you will come back to this page. Here at the top, you will find your account is closed now. Also, you won't be able to recover your account or any information associated with your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to permanently delete your Fiverr account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.